I don't have a root cellar. I don't have a basement. But how do I store 200 pounds of potatoes for the long haul without them going bad on me? You're going to have to stick around to find out. The storage of potatoes is a simple solution, okay? Very simple, very inexpensive. If you have cardboard boxes, you are all set. So what you need to do is, I just take a plain cardboard box, okay? On two of the sides, I take a screwdriver, a pencil, a blade of some sort, and I just poke holes in it, okay? Nothing fancy, cardboard box, poked holes, all set to go. The important thing here is you're going to take your potatoes, you're going to put them in your box in one layer. Just like that. Do not wash the potatoes when you first harvest them. Leave the dirt on them, okay? Trust me, it helps season the potato. They will last longer. If you wash them, they get damp. You put them in a box, you're going to get potato rot. Leave the dirt on. Put one layer in. Then I just take the ears off the box and I've poked more holes in them. The holes are for airflow. Okay? Simple as that. Now I have a shelf. Now I take my next layer. I am using this size box because that's one of the boxes I had. And I'm going to use smaller boxes from now on. I tried last year. It worked, but I used a bigger box and it was more of a pain to have to move it around the house. This is not. There you have it. Box of potatoes. Then I just close this up and I'll just leave it like that. And then what I'm going to show you next is, how do I keep these at a decent temperature? Well, I have central AC. If you're in the South, you probably have central AC. My AC ducts come out of the floor. The registers blow the air up. Storage of potatoes, typically in a basement, 60 to 65 degrees and dark. That is really good for potato storage. And so what I do is, I'm going to take this box, and in a minute, I'm going to show you the back. I take this in, I set it near the air conditioning register. The air conditioning temperature coming out of that, the register is about 50, 52, 53 degrees. If I keep this away maybe a foot or two, keeps the inside of the box about 60 to 65 degrees. These potatoes will last many, many, many months before I need to use them. And that's how I do my storage. So let me take you in the back and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And there you have it. It's near the AC duct. It'll remain about 65 degrees. It was inexpensive using a free Amazon box. And I have all the potato storage I need along this wall and near the other register. So that's how I do my storage. And it has worked for me for a long time. I hope this helps and you can put it to good use. We will see you in the next one.